Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we went to Planet Veldin, and we pretty much finished up our home world. We also found that Executive Chairman Drek has a giant mech suit that he's going to fight us with. So, in this episode, we're going to fight him, and I'm sorry guys, I recorded the Gold Bolt guide, but the file was too big to open in my editing software, and it was too big to open on YouTube. So I just had to go ahead and scrap it. As you can see on screen, I have already gotten the 40 gold bolts for in the game. If you need to know where they're at, there are guides on YouTube and on the internet that can show you where they are. I mean, if you have the Map-O-Matic, you have a general idea of where they are. But there are some that are still even tricky with the Map-O-Matic. So, yeah, if you guys need to find that, you can go ahead and do that. But, also, I changed the quick select around, because we do not need, oh shoot, we do not need all of these, all the green things now. We only need the swing shot in order to get by now. But yeah, enough talking. Let's get into this. All we basically gotta do is keep shooting at him, keep getting close to him, and yeah. What I'd say is, depending on the round, just use different guns. But you want to make sure you use your weapons wisely. Don't waste all your, like for example, don't waste all your Rhino armor or Rhino bullets in the first round. That would be preferred, mainly because you want to wait until a later round in order to use those up. Okay, so now we got all these mines around. That'll take out a few of them. So a little something about what I'm doing. I just got all my classes assigned for school, so that's good. One thing I will be doing, though, however, is Friday I'm going to be doing a live stream. To commemorate the end of this playthrough. It's going to be of Limbo. It'll just be a really quick one and done playthrough, and yeah, so we can get that out of the way. It's not in the retro years, but it's retro-esque in a way.
So it has come to this. Once I step on this ignition switch, a countdown will commence. The end of which signals the destruction of your pitiful world.
There must be another way to make a home for your people.
You think that's what this is about? Who do you think polluted our last world? I did. This is about one thing and one thing only. Cash, and lots of it. You see, I've been paid for every square inch of my new world. Once the inhabitants move in, I will begin polluting this world as well. Then the whole thing starts all over again. Ah, brilliant.
Why, you evil little...
Save it, Clank. We have to stop that timer. Power slam that button to terminate the countdown. To power slam, jump and press the R1 button.
Alright, so first things first, stop the countdown. And now we need to get away from him. Now is when we use the bomb. So all you have to do is just keep shooting a rhino at him, and he should be destroyed fairly quickly. Yeah, just keep shooting at him. Really isn't much left to say. But got shift classes set up. Hopefully going to get in the band, and there we go.
Ratchet? What's up?
You know, this time I am thinking what you're thinking.
Ready? To German biscuits. Anyway, let's get the game. There we go.
This can't be good. Phew, that was close. Clank, you can pull us up now.
The servos in my arm appear to be broken.
Broken? As in, fall to our deaths broken?
Yes.
That was close. Thanks.
My arm appears to be badly damaged.
Ah, you'll be all right. Hey, Tin Can! Where do you think you're going? We, still need to fix that arm.
Alright, and that was Ratchet and Clank. So, thoughts on the game? Whereas the sequels actually got better, this game is not too bad. Granted, it does lack some of the things that they added in other games, so it kind of makes it hard to compare them. But this game is still a fun game. I love playing it. I love coming back to it. It's it's one of the games that shaped my childhood, and yeah, I like this game. And unlike Ratchet or Jack and Daxter, where you saw like a friendship that was always there and that they could never like split apart, Ratchet and Clank were two people that came together with very different ideas of what to do, and so it was very strange for them to. It was very strange for them to try and work together. You had a simpleton who only wanted to be a hero and explore the worlds, and you had a robot on a mission that he didn't want to stray from. So it was the two of them trying to get along and try to accomplish a common goal, which was defeat Chairman Drek. It's interesting and I love it. And yeah, so as everything is ending right here, I would actually like us to, after all of this, we are going to go and see what those gold bolts net us. So I'll meet you guys there.
Do you have a problem with unwanted hair? Is painful itching in your nether regions causing you undue embarrassment? Do you just plain stink? Then you need this, the Gadgetron Personal Hygienitor. Hi, I'm Steve McQuark, and this little baby can take care of any grooming needs that are just too much trouble for you to handle yourself. Allow me to demonstrate. Yeah. Oh, mommy.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Alrighty, so, few new things that have opened up. We now have goodies down here. We have the skill points that we can get, credits, cheats, cinematics, in-level movies. I guarantee you guys can read. But need skill points to unlock these, which I'm not going to get. I've never been a huge fan of skill points, so I'm not going to try for them. And all the gold weapons. So, where do you get the gold weapons? Oh, right here. You step on this pad, and here we are. This is where you get your gold weapons. Okay, let's buy them. And gold weapon montage. Got all the gold weapons. I got an achievement. Awesome. So, now that we've unlocked those, we got a making of video. We've got television commercials for Ratchet and Clank. And that's about all we can get. Now there are certain weapons that don't have gold versions of them, but oh well. But yeah, this has been Let's Play Ratchet and Clank. I thank you guys for sticking with me, and I think I'm gonna actually change what my next game is gonna be. So next time on Crazy Gaming, we'll be playing a game that is going to steal your hearts. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. You guys have an awesome day.